thing I love the most about my job here is that every day is different, and it's just this huge adventure that we're on, and you need to be passionate and you need to be daring at times, yes, but that's the thing I love the most.
Well, we're very busy at Forever Direct. On a daily basis, we have around 5,000 to 10,000 parcels a day. On average, we do around 25,000 lines.
I've worked in many distribution centers over my career, but what makes it special here at Forever Direct is that we can add value way beyond our boundaries as a distribution center. You know, we have hundreds of processes, we have multiple systems that are tied together, and that is a big challenge every day. But our motto here is love, serve and care. So through the orders we fulfill every day, we are trying to create our masterpiece by packing the boxes with a human touch.
When the FBO receives a package of Forever Direct, we want them to open it and have a feeling that, wow, this has been taken care of and it's been packed with care. That's why we do this, and that's why we train our people to create their masterpiece.
What I do enjoy is that at Forever Direct, we're not just shoveling boxes. We see it that we are supporting our FBOs to make sure that they can grow their business, and that is a rewarding thing.
I'm Martin Zegers. I'm the Managing Director of Forever Direct.
My name is Peter van Eyck. I'm the Manager of Operations at Forever Direct.
I'm Cindy Kipenzi-Lobo. I've been here over 2.5 years and I work as Director Customer Care at Forever Direct.